In this video, we listed the 5 best Anycubic 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Mono 2. The Anycubic Mono 2 is a 4K resin printer ideal for those on a very tight budget. You will be sacrificing a little in terms of build quality, but you'll get crisp, detailed prints for under $200 with excellent 35-micron XY resolution. It's compact, so it's perfect if you don't have your own dedicated workshop, though this limits how many minis and small figurines you can print, due to a fairly small 165 by 143 by 89 mm build volume. I also recommend it if you're a beginner to resin printing. It's very easy to set up, so I'm confident you won't be put off even if you haven't set up a resin printer before. If you're choosing between the Mono 2 and Mono 4K, the main differences are the Mono 2's 20% larger build volume. It's also fitted with a laser-engraved build plate to improve layer adhesion, compared to the brushed metal on the Mono 4K. The Mono 2 has an upgraded matrix light array for more uniform curing than the Mono 4K, and the 4K Plus LCD is 4096 x 2560 pixels, compared to the Mono 4K's 3840 by 2400 pixels, resulting in more detail, especially on smaller models like miniatures. Overall, get the Mono 2 over the Mono 4K, especially if you're a beginner. However, if the Mono 2 isn't big enough for you, go for the Anycubic Photon M3, it's only a slight downgrade in XY resolution to 40 microns. For even more build volume, there's the Photon M3 Plus and Maximum. Number 2. Anycubic Photon M3. The base Anycubic Photon M3 brings high-quality 4K resin printing at an affordable price. It's compact and designed for creating decorative pieces such as figurines, tabletop gaming minis, and models on a budget. The 180 by 170 by 102 mm build volume is large enough for all but the biggest resin projects, and the 40 micron XY resolution means rich detail and features. 4K plus LCD resolution is good, but in recent times has been dwarfed by the affordable 6K and 8K printers that have released. Though, the M3's combination of decent size, very competitive quality, and low price make it one of the most popular resin printers in the world. Optionally, you can upgrade to the Photon M3 Premium. This is the first M3 printer with an 8K LCD, pushing XY resolution to 28.5 microns. The build volume is 219 by 123 by 250 mm, slightly bigger than M3 Plus. Number 3. Photon M3 Max. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for large-scale and efficient printing. It features an impressive print volume of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, allowing users to create large models or multiple smaller models simultaneously with enhanced efficiency. Equipped with a 7K high-resolution UV LCD screen, 6480 by 3600 pixels, and a high-contrast ratio of 450:1, it delivers exceptional detail and precision in prints. The printer boasts a large 13.6-inch LCD screen protected by an anti-scratch film to prevent liquid damage. With a fast printing speed of up to 60 mm per hour and a powerful matrix LED light source, it ensures quick and reliable results. Additionally, the smart automatic resin feeding system simplifies the printing process by intelligently managing resin levels. Its laser-engraved platform enhances adhesion, significantly improving print success rates. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max is a robust and efficient choice for professional and hobbyist creators alike. Number 4. Anycubic Mono M5s. The Photon M5s is a new Anycubic printer, with 12K resolution that promises the highest level of detail and surface finish out of the Mono range. The printer also offers a fantastic 19 by 24 micron XY resolution capable of printing details on par with the thickness of an individual strand of hair. In some of my other resin printer reviews, I've said that even 2K LCD screens produce great quality details, and that the differences between 4K and 8K screens is not enormous until close-up. But, this level of quality really does make the difference on the M5s. The M5s is therefore ideal for batch-producing miniatures and figurines. It's also one of the fastest resin printers on the market today with a speedy 105 mm per hour. Other new features include an array of sensors, including some on the build plate itself, that constantly monitor for common failures such as the print peeling off the film, layer separation, and resin running out mid-print. The Photon M5s also gathers up data to pinpoint the cause of these failures, offering up troubleshooting tips to avoid them for future prints. Additionally, the Photon M5s leveling free feature has the printer automatically adjust the height of the build plate thanks to a mechanical sensor on the cantilever arm. This reduces failures and cuts down on wasted resin. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 2. Most recently, the Anycubic Kobra 2 has hit the market, improving the Kobra in almost every way while still keeping that easy of use but high-quality printing experience intact. It features a new auto bed leveling system with auto Z offset adjustment for even better calibration than the original Kobra. Elsewhere, the cooling is upgraded with a chunky blower fan that aids tricky print features like overhangs. Last but not least, the Anycubic Kobra 2 is 5 times faster, reaching speeds up to 250 mm per second with little to no loss in print quality, a real novelty in this price range. If you're looking to save time, whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, the Anycubic Kobra 2 brings high-speed printing to the budget category at a price most of us can afford.